Welcome back, fellas, to this new video of Tech Express. Today I'm going to be showing you one of the greatest ideas to find the 7 AI tools you need to try in the 2025. If you feel like the AI is leaving you behind, this video is your cheat sheet. So the world of the AI changes every week, and in the 2050, the best tools aren't just powerful, they're free to start using. So I created this list for you guys, so let's get started. In this case, we are into Perplexity AI. This is one of the most ultimate research tools that can be helping you to type complex research query, showing to summarize, cited answers. There's a tool number one can be helping you with a really great to search, of course. Unlike the Google, Perplexity codes can make synthesize information from multiple sources, giving you a concise, easy to read answer. Show hovering over the citation. The best part, it cites its sources. You instantly know where the information came from, making this perfect for students, easy comparative analysis or deep dives into a topic. If I wanted to know, let's say for example, more about hunting of killer whales in the 2025, I ask a Perplexity, and here into Perplexity I have the assistance. It's going to be thinking about it. It gives me more information about it, and here is the actual quote where it came from, and I have more and more quotes that I can start by using them. The second tool, for example, is the actual Sonnet. Now if you haven't heard of Sonnet, Sonnet, for example, is the let's say Cloudy 3 Sonnet, which you can find this directly as into your browser. You can find this. I'm gonna open this as a new tab, and you can find Cloudy Sonnet. Now in this case, I think we are now into the 4.5. So basically, this tool can be helping you to writing notes, conversions, and analyze large documents. This is often superior to ChatGPT, to the free model, because it handles huge documents. You can upload long reports, even books, of course, and ask it to find trends, to compare arguments, or draft policy languages. The free trials offer significant uses for daily tasks, but still, I can strongly suggest you to check out the actual overview of the Cloudy plans, because some of them I believe they are really affordable. For example, the Pro plan, which comes with $17 per month, can give you more usage, more coding, more files and executed codes, and so much more. The third tool, for example, is the actual Krea AI. Now the Krea AI, for example, is one of the most graded tools for the actual visuals. I'm going to show you just a really free element that can be helping you for making the generation. For this, what I need to do is to start by signing up directly into Krea. There's a free trial, there's a free element that we can use, but once again, I insist that if you wanted to try this out and use the best resources for the Krea, you wanted to use, for example, like the most basic element. Now, for example, let's check out this specific prompt, like 3D character setting on a futuristic scooter. You type the prompt, and the image updated as you typed. It's perfect for quick comes out. It's perfect for placeholder, for visuals for the actual videos, or even generating designs inspiration immediately. You get the free daily generations, and you can use these elements to generate your own elements just as you're just getting started. So with all of these elements, guys, you can of course try to log out and generate more elements with the actual Krea. Something else that we can use directly with the artificial intelligence, for example, I can suggest you to use, for example, a code interpreter. Now a code interpreter, I'm gonna be using the actual data. ChatGPT can have the code interpreter, can have a Krea application. Gemini also does that kind of work. But what you can do, for example, is that this feature is often available into the free trial until the model is really amazing for productivity. So I can find the 5 highest values and create a bar chart of updating an actual simple TPS file. And I gave, for example, this specific link of my document, and usually it does a really great work. Now, ElevenLabs, on the other hand, for example, is the next tool I would like to introduce you. ElevenLabs can be helping you to create videos, audiobooks, or if you need, of course, professional narrations. ElevenLabs provides you the most realistic AI voices on the actual planet. It actually does a really great work when it comes to generate this kind of stuff.
In the ancient land of Eldoria, where skies shimmered and forests whispered.
Something else that I'm going to be using today is the Runway. Runway so far does a really great tools for video generations. You have unique transitions, unique generating B-roll for your tutorials. Runway gives you free credit to experiment with this amazing technology. Of course, there is software, for example, there is the Google Gemini, but Runway so far does a really great work when it comes to generating AI stuff, and it is learning really fast. And the last tool I'm going to be using today is Gamma. I don't know about you guys, but if you wanted to save time in presentations design and all the stuff, Gamma does an amazing job for this kind of elements. You can start for free, of course. You have the link down below, but basically Gamma can help you to make these kind of presentations, not for free, of course, but they have an actual free target. You can try them out if you are into a hurry and you want to generate websites, your social media posts, some presentations and documents. The AI of the Gamma does an amazing job. So guys, those are 7 tools that can be helping you to do a really amazing effortless elements with the artificial intelligence. So guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hopefully you use them really well, these applications so far. Thank you once again for watching the video, guys, and hopefully with all of this being said, we can all see you guys next time.